Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Skullcandy Ounce wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting. Any issues like that where it's not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just any variety of situations where you want to delete the pairing history off of it, clear all the settings, so you can set this speaker up basically like you're setting up a brand new speaker. We can go ahead, it's really very easy to do. We just need to come in and find the volume down and the volume up buttons on the speaker and press and hold them simultaneously for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will cause this speaker to revert to its factory settings. All previously paired devices will be deleted, and you will see the LED will blink alternatively between blue and red while it's resetting. Once the reset is complete, you can just go ahead and set this up, pair it to your phone or other device like you're setting up a brand new speaker.